Hello guys, today we will discuss how to integrate Chat GPT with Google Docs without any API keys of OpenAI. So we need to move on the Google Apps. Here is an announcement that if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe the YouTube channel and hit the like button if you like my video or dislike if you don't like, and also watch my previous video if you are new in ChatGPT and how to integrate ChatGPT with Google Sheets and Docs and Slides. So over here we found the Google Docs. Click on it. The new window will open. Here you can see the blank document. Click on the blank document. Over here a new document is created. So how to install the extension? First of all, when you came on the screen, in the menu there is an extension button. You need to click on the extension button and then add-ons and get add-ons button. Over here in the search tab, you need to write GPT. When you write the GPT, in the second option or the first or the third, you need to find out the GPT-4 docs, sheets and slides. When you click on the GPT for docs, sheets and slides, a new window will open for the result same as you pass the query. So the first one, you need to select the first one. When you click on the first one, a new window will open. Over here you can find the install button. When you find the install button, you need to hit the install button, and after that you need to accept the term and condition and then move on. As I have installed already, so I am not hitting the button for uninstall because I need this. So I will close this window, and here what I need, I will type chat GPT integration. Click the panel button over here. A new panel open here. I can see, or if you have installed the GPT for docs, sheets and slides, you can find the button over here, GPT workspace. When you click the GPT workspace, a new window open here, and you need to edit the text. When you click on it, it will ask some questions or queries. Over here you need to write your question. What do you want from the chat GPT? Write an article on AI. Over here you can set the creativity level of GPT. From here you can check the standard, creative or very creative. I just click over here, creative. So you need to write the same query over here, and I just select the text and then I will click on the run GPT button. Point. There is an article on the artificial intelligence it produces. It's so easy and so simple. You can access the chat GPT function in your Google Docs. No need to move on the OpenAI and write some sort of question or stuff over there. You just need to write the question on the Google Docs and select that question. After that, you just need to run.